Hello everyone, my name is Ethan and today I'll be presenting my final project for C++. Now, I was inspired to do this project by the game Tic-Tac-Toe since it's really famous and I like playing it, so I decided to make a coding project about it. It also features multi-dimensional arrays. During class, some things I learned to use in my project were switch statements and arrays. Switch statements are really similar to if statements, but it's much simpler, and it doesn't need to sort through all the options. Arrays are also incredibly useful and can store many information, just like a list in Python in real life. It can also be multidimensional, so it can also form a 3x3 grid. Some of the code examples will be this switch statements where it goes through the menu to see what the player wants, and this will be an array and this will be section 1, 2, 3, and so on, and setting them onto a variable. And this is a picture of my code, and now I'll be demonstrating it. So this is the starting menu, and you have 4 choices. You can exit, set the names, play in 2-player, or play in 1-player. So if I wanted to set the names, I'll give player 1 the name of Bob and player 2 the name of Joe. And I can play in 2-player mode, so I'd be controlling both of the players. Second one, first one 2-2, second one 3-3, and then I could put 1-3, and then 3-1, and then 3-2, 1-2. Let's say 2-1, and let's say Joey messes up, and we get half, and now Bobby wins. My favorite part about working on this project was playing the project in the end, and it felt really good to play something I had worked really hard to make it to code, and it just felt really good to play. If I had more time to improve this project, I would add a more complex grid and game, such as a bigger grid for example, 4x4 grid, where there will be more options and more ways to win. And I will read input through also different files where I can import them for better organization and simplicity. And finally, I'll add more difficulties like an easy, medium, or hard level, depending on what the player feels like. Thank you for listening.